So in this session we'll see how to give all the grants to specific user on particular table of a database. Let's connect to your MySQL server. Got connected to your MySQL server, and let's see the list of users we have from mysql.user, the user and the host. From mysql.user we can see Sohail and Tony. The other users are root, MySQL sys and Dave. Let's take an example, the user Tony, and verify the grants for the Tony. There is no such grant defined for user Tony, so no grants are being specified for Tony. Now you can grant all on your classic model table. We can see the list of tables as well, or list of databases. We have classic model, we have databases list of in that classic models, and we can verify the tables where we have for classic models. Show tables. So show tables are listed the tables part of your classic model database. Now we'll give access to customers table, all the privileges, or you want to give entire tables in case a specific table, or we can give. We'll try for granting to Tony and Sohail. We'll take an example. So grant all on your classic models dot star to Tony. You're not allowed with the user with grant. Now let's see with localhost. Now it's been granted. Verify for Tony what all the grants we have now. Start does mean all the tables of your classic model database, and all the grants are being granted to classic model tables to Tony. Now verify. You can see the difference here without a host and with host name. We don't have a user with only Tony, we have user with host name. So specify the host name. Now we can see the privileges. All the privileges are being granted on all the tables of your classic models. Same we can try with grants for your Sohail @localhost. So we have a read only, and we can try on specific table grant all on your classic models database dot customer to Sohail. Now let's verify the same for Sohail. What are the grants we have for Sohail? Show grants for Sohail localhost. The grants for Sohail localhost. Just now we have granted all the privileges only on customer table. Now Sohail can access customer table, and he have all the grants, all the privileges on that particular table. He can insert, he can select, he can delete, he can update that particular table. Such a way we can give all the grants or specific grant for the user. Fine. So done with this session, guys. Thank you all.